Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to block message from unknown number on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, if you feel so bothered when you receive any message from unknown number from your contact or maybe spam or any ads maybe, so now you can block it automatically guys. And now we can go to message menu first, and then you can click triple dots on the top and then go to spam and block. And over here you can click triple dots again and go to block number guys. So now here we enable the feature block numbers not in contacts and block unknown number or hidden number guys. So those are the people who are not in your contact, and people who use hidden number will not be able to messaging you anymore, and you won't be bothered again guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to block message from unknown number on Infinix Smart 8, and then thank you so much for watching.